To connect Printful to Wix. Start by creating a Printful account and a Wix online store. Printful is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products, while Wix is a website builder that enables you to create a professional online store. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix app market. Search for Printful and click the Add to Site button to install the Printful app. This will redirect you to the Printful website, where you will be prompted to authorize the connection between Wix and Printful. Next, create a new Printful account or log in to your existing account. You will be asked to confirm the connection between Wix and Printful, allowing Wix to access your Printful account. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to your Wix online store. Navigate to the Printful app settings and click the Connect button to finalize the connection. You will then be able to access the Printful dashboard from within your Wix online store. To add products from Printful to your Wix online store, navigate to the Printful dashboard and click the Add Product button. Choose the products you want to add and customize them as desired. The products will then be synced to your Wix online store, where you can set prices and make them available for purchase. When a customer places an order, the order will be automatically sent to Printful for fulfillment. Printful will then produce and ship the products directly to the customer. You can track the status of orders from within your Wix online store, making it easy to manage your business and keep your customers informed. By following these steps, you can easily connect Printful to Wix and start selling custom products from your online store. This integration allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business, while Printful handles the production and fulfillment of your products.